Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Welcome. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. It's Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. How y'all doing today? Hope everybody doing good. Happy first of the month, y'all. It is so much going on. Here to share my goings on, what's happening, and carry on about my area and more. Y'all heard about those monkeypox becoming states of emergency and stuff? It's nasty out there with those monkeypox. Y'all better be safe. I'm still wearing my mask. I got my new glasses, cover my eyes. Need to have on a full, what those suits called? A full suited and booted disease protection outfit. Because those monkeypox, like I said, when you get pimples and stuff, they leave scars on your face. I had that pimple right there. It's a little dark spot right there. But when you get the monkeypox, I seen somebody video and they were showing this lady had all those pops all over her face, and it gonna leave scars like flea bites. Y'all know what flea bites do to you. They leave horrible scars from flea bites. I'm glad I didn't have that problem, and I hope never to get the monkeypox, because I can't be scarring up all this. No, not all this. I already lost my beautiful teeth. Now I gotta lose all my pretty skin. I'm just being silly, y'all. But anyway, those monkeypox ain't nothing to play with. Y'all need to keep your mask on, because people are catching it not only from sex, like the pus is very contagious, and people, it could be on money, it could be on counters, on food. So even when y'all go in the grocery store shopping, picking up stuff, if somebody got the monkeypox ooze on their hand and it oozed it all over the food, and some people do stuff on purpose because they angry they got it. You know how people can be in this world, because some folks go really crazy and they'll get to something and they want to just say, I got it, I'm not going to be the only one, and give it to other folks. So I don't know. I'm thinking about putting some gloves on my hand. Just like in the beginning of the COVID, folks was covered from head to toe. And now we got this nasty monkeypox. It's just spreading like wildfires. So y'all needs to be careful out there with these monkeypox. In the COVID, they said, they checked the waste, and they saying there's more people got COVID than are reporting. People ain't reporting like they were in the past. So it's so many people infected, but they ain't saying nothing because people scared about, having to wear the mask again. Damn that. I'm wearing my mask, and now this monkeypox, nasty, contagious, oozy, pussy, dripping, draining stuff. It's all over the dang place on money, y'all. I use a debit card. Now, anything you handling, like I say, touching counters, then you go rubbing your face. Some people got a bad habit of touching stuff, and then they go rubbing their face. Then they don't necessarily wash their hand before they eat food from a fast food restaurant. The heck with all that. I'm eating at home. And by the way, with this video about me just sharing what's going on, and also I found a food pantry in my area, but I'm not trying to get food from the pantry. I want to donate. So I'm going to show y'all some items I could be donating, because I don't want to spoil. Because now, y'all hearing what's going on in the pepper world. Some of these peppers crack me up, and it's just really nerve-wracking, because a bunch of, I'm not prepared. Oh my God, the world is ending. Where, when, why, and what they talking about going on in New York. Allegedly, they saying people in New York are told to prepare, what the bags called? Dang. Them survival bags or whatever. I don't know what's going on. I ain't seen none of that on the news. And I'm watching CNN, MSNBC, my local. I ain't heard nothing about people in New York being told to prep some bug out bag. If y'all heard about this, say so in the comments, because it's a lot going on in the preppers. Still crying. Oh, the shelves are empty. Oh, the food is unavailable. Oh, the world's coming to an end. Oh, we're all about to be destroyed in a minute. It's about to be a war. All this stuff going on. Y'all, these people need to give me a break. If y'all believe any of this stuff, say so in the comments. Y'all know something I don't know. Like I said, each state has its own problems. Now, over here, I can go in the store. There's plenty of food. Now, I did want to share a video where the vegetables are rotten. Some of the vegetables still ain't up to quality. Now, I believe that the farmers, you know, they having a short supply on fertilizer, whatever they need, and it's affecting the vegetables. True that, true that. But other than that, America, this America, is not going to be suffering like other parts of the world that with that war going on, they can't get their dang food and stuff over there. So, yeah, it's some food concerns over there in other countries. But over here in this America, in California, plenty of food. And when you have a change of diet, plenty of food. Because if you portion sizing, downsizing from all that other heavy, greasy food and stuff like that. Now, I'm just talking about for my situation. I know I was doing it. I was hogging, pigging out, eating heavy, too much, way too much, because I was enjoying the food way too much, and I just made myself sick. Now, I am slowly but surely losing weight, and I'm so happy about that. Feeling better, getting better. Made it to a new month. Everybody can't make it. And at my age, everybody ain't gonna make my age. I'm trying to, y'all heard about the Star Trek lady passed, and Russell passed, the black basketball player passed away. And these people in their 80s, see, you got to get there. Shoot. Ain't no plan. Y'all call old folks old, but hey, you got to get here. Like I told my grandmother, your old self. She told me, keep on living. You gonna get old too. She ain't lying. Keep on living. Your hair gonna get gray. And the only way it ain't gonna be gray is you putting dye on it. Like my brother, he put dye in his hair, and he used mascara to dye his mustache and beard and eyebrows, whatever. I ain't doing all that. That's just more maintenance that I ain't trying to do. I have never put dye in my hair. I heard about the consequences if you put dye in your hair too long, your hair break out, get whatever, you'll have some kind of allergic reaction. But people keep dyeing their hair so they want to look youthful. But the body gonna tell the truth. Yep, the body gonna tell the truth. It know how old you are. You can put on a colorful wig all you want, you older people, and do this and that. Go get Botox, blow your cheeks up. Look, my natural blowed up cheek. These natural. This ain't no Botox. And I guess I stay out the sun because I got few and in between wrinkles I got from, you know, smiling. You get those smile things, but hey, I ain't doing too much of that because, hey, all that laughing and giggling, but hey, you need a happy spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. I gotta make me a new spirit boosting time. On my crafting channel, I'm having a ball. And as the day is the 1st, I'm about to be on my crafting channel. I gotta throw up a video because I'm gonna try and make a video for the month of August with a bunch of crafting videos. And on my gardening channel too. I'm loving it, y'all. I'm loving it. Over here, I love it too. I know I was saying stuff, but hey, I'm a grown ass woman. If I feel this way and I got an opinion and then I say stuff that I heard on the news, why should it matter? Hey, I'm just going to keep on being me and doing me and enjoying my life and enjoying you that keep coming back to join me on this spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. It's spirit boosting time. Y'all like that music? I like that music. My intro, my trailer. But y'all, I'm going to turn this camera around. But let me see. Did I forget anything else? Okay, it's August. Now, my sister been telling me about that Social Security thing. If y'all get any extra, they saying you're supposed to get $200 extra in your Social Security check. If y'all getting $200 extra this month, say so in the comments, because this is big deal, big news. Okay. Yeah. That's right. I'm about to run off to live in the South. California is too expensive. I got to get the heck up out of California. California is bleeding all my money, taking all my little coins. I can't survive out here. How is it in the South? But with the monkeypox, I don't know. I got to stay clear of all the monkeypox, all these diseases, all these people running around here trying to live their best life without a mask on, coughing and hacking and oozing and dripping and draining all over the dang fruits, vegetables, meats, sausages, and cookies and crumbs. I ain't having it. That's why I'm saying I think I'm going to have me some gloves on. Ain't no thinking. I know I'm going to be some gloves on when I go to the store. If and when I go. Because it's a lot of crime and stuff going on. There's so much craziness. People mugging and abusing and hurting old folks, stealing from them. It's just terrible. It's hard out there in the streets. It's hard. And then all these jobs, it's certain companies are laying off a bunch of their, now this is true, I heard from Prepper. There are a lot of layoffs, people losing their jobs. Now that is more concerning. Because, hey, then how the people going to afford this high rent? On top of that, medical bills, food bills, children bills, life bills. Now we got all this going on. Now I agree with that. The layoffs, the farmers situation, but all this other stuff, these people are making these videos talking, oh, I'm not prepared. Why you ain't prepared? If you've been knowing about this for so long, why you ain't prepared? They crazy. Okay. Y'all believe it, y'all. If y'all believe these preppers, let me know in the comment section. I know that I don't have a lot of company coming through, but hey, that's okay. Whoever I'm speaking to, this is what it's all about. My TV, hey. This is my YouTube channel, and I get the star, and I'm the star, and my host. Wait, I'm the star, and you guys are my guests. And I want to treat my guests right. What y'all want? What beverages y'all want to drink? Y'all want booze? You want punch? Y'all want fruit? What y'all want? If y'all want all the heavy food, greasy foods, I can have that for you too. Okay. Kisses. Thank you. I'm going to turn around and show y'all these little few items that I'm going to be trying to get down to that pantry and donate. Okay, here are some of the items I'm going to definitely want to donate. Some pasta, especially a few boxes of my Idaho. I don't know if my kids don't want it. I'm giving these Idahos away because it is loaded with sodium. My husband, he don't really like mashed potatoes. And I ain't giving away all his Idaho spuds, you know. He like hash browns, but he don't like mashed potatoes. I don't know. He don't really care for french fries, but he love hash browns. Okay, so these are just a couple items that, you know, I'm getting together besides a bunch of canned foods too and stuff like that. And corn muffin mix. The pineapple I read on the back of the can. Now the pineapple ain't bad. It ain't got no salt. It ain't got no what is it? It's just fresh pineapple. I just have to be easy on it. But stuff like that, I could eat some pineapple. Like the fresh fruit is good for me. Well, y'all know how it goes when you change your diet, when you gotta eat healthier. You just give up a bunch of fried foods. French fries was one of my favorites. My husband, when he would go out and get his fry, I said, give me a large fry. He would die every time. Why you want a large fry? Why you a large fry? Just give me a large fry. And then, hey, you see what happened with large fries? You get large too. Your body get large. You get a large fry body. But anyway, I'm just talking about myself. But I just wanted to share that with y'all, what I am, kind of stuff I plan on donating to the food pantry. It's a bunch of stuff I'm gonna donate to the food. Get this stuff up out of here. And these peppers crying, I'm not prepared. Well, I don't know. I can give away some of these things too. These the chickens in this bag. I think the sodium. Let me see. What's the sodium on here? For one pouch is $3.60. Ooh. I would like to have just one meal of that, something like that. But hey, I got a lot of stuff I'm gonna put together and donate. Y'all donating anything? Do you have any pantry hauls? Share that stuff. Come on through. You got the courage, you got the guts, you got the nerve. Are you brave enough? Can you stand it over here? Facts hurt. I guess you can't come. Truth hurt. I love me some Lizzo. Has anybody told you that you're special? I'm so special. Look, I'm messing the song all up. I love that song. Has anybody? Okay, guys, I'm going to go now. Stay in survival mode. Stay safe. Be careful. The monkeypox is waiting on you. The COVID is waiting. Like I said, they checking the waste system in the water, and there's more people got that COVID and letting on, and then you can see who got the monkeypox. It start out like little bumps, little pimple bumps, and then they start getting bigger, and then they get scabby, and then they ooze, then they drip, drop, drain. Ooh. So y'all be careful, stay in survival mode. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember, it's spirit boosting time. It's spirit boosting time. It's spirit boosting time. Okay, y'all, I got to go. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time.